Hello, guys. My name is Verona, and I'm the account manager from Serpstat customer success team. So I help our clients with the training on working with the service. So whether you're a beginning or experienced user, I really have some actionable tips for everyone. So this webinar is not about sales. I really understand that you face steep learning curves, so I'm really happy and excited to run this webinar to make sure that you know how to use Serpstat from maximum and you get profit from every penny you spend on it. So most of you already know Serpstat from technical side. So I'll talk about the use cases of our clients and how they use our tools to achieve good results. Before promoting our website, you need to analyze competitors and borrow their most successful strategies from them. So such analysis, it helps you to avoid their mistakes, to discover their strong sides, and always be up to date within your niche. So let's find out what you can learn. As you know, now we have exactly 230 databases available, which are increased every day without our manual updates. And the largest one is Google United States database, which is the biggest now globally. It's about 2 and 4 million of keywords. So let's take now as an example Nike.com and use this one largest database, Google United States. So today we'll talk about how to identify relevant competitors in its niche, how to find your the unique semantic of your competitors, how to find out the top pages of your competitors, which gets the most traffic, and of course, how to collect your semantic core with the unique tools of Serpstat. So let's start. I will share my screen now. 1 minute. Let me check. So, can you see my screen now? Okay. So let's start. First things first. So I suggest to find out who your direct competitors are. So enter Nike.com and choose Google United States database. Here is our overview page, but now let's pass to SEO research and competitors in organic search. So here you can see the list of the websites you compete with. Let's wait just a bit. So the list you will see now is based on the similar keywords that both of you rank for in Google Top 20. Let's see our competitors. Here we go. So the more common keywords used in SEO websites have, the more likely they are direct competitors. You may identify it by relevance score, which define how close a particular competitor is. You can just sort it, okay, by relevance. and get the list of valid ones. When you choose your competitors, the most interesting for analysts, don't ignore the visibility score, as it shows how popular the website is in search engine. Here we go. Here is the relevance and the visibility score. So visibility is our relative internal score, which shows how often the domain is shown in search results for the keywords domain is ranking for. So the higher the score is, the better and the most popular the website is. So while we are dealing with top competitors, you can see here, let's clarify how we can compare the semantics of our websites with the competitors' ones. So let's pass to position report. With positions report, you can find out the queries these websites like Nike.com ranks for in Google top 100. These arrows, like it can be green one or red one, it shows you how the keyword went up or down in SERP. For your convenience, we made a filter here where you may apply increased or decreased or new keywords to make your research even better. Here is it. Position changed, and here is the filter. So this way. So if you need to get phrases for a particular niche your competitor ranks for, you need to use another filter like keyword include. Here is it. Keyword includes, and enter the niche keyword. You can enter several keywords at the same time and apply different filters. Let it be Jordan or Air Max. Okay, and add different filters according to your website strategy. For example, like domain's position for a keyword. Okay, from second page. Something. And if you would like to collect your keywords by volume or different filters you would like to apply, you may apply it at the same time and save it here. As a result, now you'll get the list of really net filtered queries you were looking for and extend separate categories with this ITN. You see here it will be only Jordan or Air Max, nothing more. So you may create pages, maybe for online store. This month we launch approximate traffic column. Here is it, and a new way of export. At first, it can be in PDF, and also you may here choose the fields you need to work with according to your optimization strategy. So now let's go back to competitors' report for a while. Here you can get the list of its common keywords and missing one. If we talk about missing keywords, these are those keywords your competitors rank for, but you don't. Here is it. It doesn't mean that you don't have these phrases on your website. It is possible that both of you use them in your SEO, but your website is out of Google top 100 and not visible at all, while your competitor is in top. In case you need to work on website text optimization, and these keywords will bring traffic on your website. So please work with these keywords. If you don't have these keywords on your website, but they fit your niche, you may include it in your semantics, especially if your competitors get traffic and ranks high using it. You can click on these missing keywords and sort it by volume. Here it is. In this case, you may understand which kind of optimization you should choose. Will it be high or a low frequency keyword? So now your only task is to scrutinize the missing semantics you've discovered and consider creating new pages for your website that will include phrases it lacks. For your convenience, search queries in the missing keywords can be sorted by all columns, not only volume, but position or cost per click or competition PPC. So you may use it as well for your website optimization. You can also work with common keywords. Let's come back to this. By clicking on common keywords, you may check who ranks best in a search engine and how positions of you and your competitor changed since the last tracking. Now we will see the list of common keywords. Here is it. Let's click on it. Yes, so you can see your site, Nike.com, and your competitor website. Here, by these arrows, you may understand which keywords you should work with, like perform text optimization or maybe internal linking. So these keywords bring you traffic. Let's come back to competitor record. Here you will see the list of competitors box. You may change it by entering new competitors or remove the existing ones. Here is it. You can see all the list and you may change it. Line here. You deal with your competitors, their common and missing keywords, and the next step is to find out the unique phrases your competitors successfully rank for and use in their SEO that you never had on your website at all. You need to export such phrases, and if they fit your niche, definitely include it. To do this, you need to use domain versus domain analysis. This feature allows you to make a comparison up to 3 domains. For instance, your domain against 2 direct competitors. So you need to enter your domain name, then specify 2 competitors. Maybe you already know it, or select them from suggested ones. Here is the list. So let's choose some of them, like let it be this one and this one, and compare. Yes. As a result, you can see the circle diagram, which show you the unique organic keywords of each website and common phrases of all 3 domains. There are 2 obvious reasons why your competitors have unique phrases. So, probably they have different items categories on their website, which you don't have and are not planning to have in your online store. Then you don't need these keywords. But the second reason, your competitors have exactly the same categories and they really use unique keywords for their optimization, which you lack and definitely need to include to get traffic. In future, with the help of keyword clustering tool, you may correctly add these unique missing keywords to the existing pages or create new ones for new categories. If you want to create absolutely new pages for your website, you may compare 3 only competitors' domain and export their common keywords. Let's choose another website, only competitors one. Yes, it was this one. Some another websites. Okay, this one. And let's change our website to third competitor. Let's see what we have. Not the best example. Let's try some another one. Yes. So when you compare 3 only competitor domains, you may export their common keywords. More likely, these keywords are relevant to your domain niche as well, so you may include it there. So only their common keywords, because you use for SEO same niche, same thematic, so it will work for you. If you compare your website with the 2 competitors, let's come back to Nike.com. I recommend you to work with common phrases of you and your competitors by separate queries. As a result, you'll get the data and position of each website. We will see now. Here we go. The Nike.com and to your competitors. Same keywords you rank for and your position. For example, we can see now this phrase. Your position is only 78, but your competitor is on top. So in this case, you need or backlinks or content buying, anything you can do to get back the traffic. So I recommend you to work with common semantics as well. So as you can see, unique semantic, which you don't use at all, and common one. I also recommend you to compare several trio competitors from suggested list and identify their common unique phrases. You may export it, then combine into one single report in spreadsheets and remove duplicates. As a result, you get net queries without brand reports or rubbish. Use it and approve your text with it. So this is what I wanted to tell about domain versus domain report. Next one is top pages. Top pages is a really must-have feature for content strategy and website optimization. Some categories and ITM pages are ranked better for certain keywords than other ones. So that creating a list of such pages will help you to define the most demanded categories and ITMs and add them to your website. Here you may find the list of most efficient keywords for every page through the pages and keyword in organic search. If necessary, you may use the filter as well. In case you are searching for ITMs of a particular category, choose URL filter. Like start with, yes, with protocol, the start of the page, and or just include some word. Let it be Jordan again. Okay. Apply filter. And you can see the pages for a particular niche. After identifying which of your competitors' pages receive the most traffic, get the list of keywords this page is ranking for, clicking on the filter, and get the queries, the position the page occupies. We can see the list of the keywords, and now we choose the filter, the main position for a keyword, and we get only the queries from the top. Apply the filter. Here is it. So as a result, you'll get the list of the keyword for the particular niche of the most viewed competitors' pages. So you may use it to your related pages. For example, if your store has a category like Jordan, now you can see this keyword. Okay. Also, you may check the traffic each of these pages received. Now we'll come back to the top pages. Yes. Here you may check the traffic if each of these pages received it, if you export it with Facebook shares. Here we go. As a result, you'll get the list of pages with additional columns. In that report, you will get data on approximate, potential, and maximum traffic. Use it as well. So if you analyze your own website, not your competitor ones, pay your attention to potential traffic. It will show you which one you may get, and the number of visits that page will receive if it holds the first position in search for a keyword. Here is the potential traffic of each page, so it will be useful for you. With this report, you may also get the list of the most shareable posts in Facebook, like articles, for example. It will be useful especially if you work with informative websites. Social medias are the main source of traffic for viral content, while topics with long tail keywords bring the traffic from the organic search. So top shareable content may vary depending on the niche you choose for your website. To find out which topics are the most popular in your niche, choose your direct competitors and analyze their content to understand what your audience is interested in. The next report is tree view. It is almost similar to top pages report, but here you get the list of domain pages and their keywords in the tree view open form. Using this tool, you can easily find the URLs with the keywords these pages rank for that have a great potential to be pushed to the top of the search results. For this, choose the filter, domain position for a keyword, between 11 and 20. Second page. Apply filter. And here you get the list of the pages and their keywords for which the pages almost got the top 10. So use these keywords as anchors for internal links or backlinks. So improve them to increase your organic traffic. like 12 or 13. It's so close to top 10. So if you analyze like your competitors treat you this way, you may research their website semantic structure, like blog articles, etc. So optimization strategy, the potential for expanding your structure, and the direction for improvement. Let's come back to top pages for a while. I will show you why. If you want to analyze your niche deeper, use the URL research, not domain ones. With this feature, you can focus on promoting only single page of your website. So here, let's choose some interesting page because exactly top pages report show you which pages bring most traffic on the website. Use the filter if we are still interested in Jordan. Let's choose it. Okay. Let's analyze this page. You can just click on it. And here you see again the keywords it ranks for and their position. So here, if you want to make a deeper research, you may do the same as you've already done before in domain versus domain analysis. Now you need to find its closest competitors' pages, for example, this ones, and find unique keywords that are relevant to your page and make it even better and than any similar page that ranks for in your niche. So it will be really, really detailed analysis. The unique keywords only about Jordan. In this report, you also has missing keywords report. Missing keywords are queries for which competitors' pages ranks in Google Top 10, while your own page hasn't even got to the top 100 for these keywords. Let's see these keywords. Yes. If any other page of the domain ranks for a missing keyword, you'll see it in other URLs contained columns. It will help you to correct the website structure, avoid the duplicate pages, and find the most relevant page for these queries. Let me show you, let's check another page, like this one. Here you can meet the word no one. If none appears in this column, I think we will see it here right now. If you can see, let's check here, this keyword and this column, none. It means that this phrase in this list isn't on your website at all. Or that none of your pages rank for in the top 100 Google search results. So add these keywords to your page and get more traffic, which you like because of the missing semantics. So it is really like a unique report because it will give a lot of data about missing semantics. Here, like sorting columns like search volume and the rest, or filters have been added to missing keyword sections to help you in arranging the keywords in the necessary order so that you can save time and analyze phrases according to the filters you set, like search volume, cost per click, keywords include, and the rest. After it is just my recommendation. Like after you make any changes in the page structure, you should make a detailed content analysis of your pages and your closest competitors for optimization breakdowns. You can do it with Serpstat text analytics tool and get recommendations how to fix it. It will be next time. I'll tell you about this tool. It is really useful and our unicorn. So it was the way to collect your the keywords for your semantic core based on a competitor analysis. And the next way to extend your semantic core without it is to perform keyword research. Now I show you certain features that we have. Let's come back let's move to keyword research. And enter the keyword niche in the search box. We was talking about Nike.com, so let it be sports shoes. So I bring you to the keyword selection wrapper, where you get the list of all search queries which are associated with the research query based on the full text search. It is a classic way to extend semantics like with Keyword Planner. The keyword selection page now allows you to search queries by keyword difficulty, like here. So you find matching searches for SEO purposes that bring good results with minimal effort. According to the level of competition of the keyword for promotion, you may define the best optimization strategy for you by low or high frequency phrases. High frequency phrases, as I think, with low keyword difficulty most likely are good to be included in text of your pages. So the next feature is related keywords. The unique Serpstat features really where you may find out various related keywords whose search results are pretty much the same. All the phrases might look absolutely different at the first glance. For example, we was talking about sports shoes, and here you can see running shoes or shoes man running, or what we can see like sneakers for men. So these keywords may be like synonyms or short form or slang expressions or professional terminology. So use those related keywords in your SEO optimization to reach a wider audience. So here is really a long list. Also, you may wonder how Serpstat finds related keywords. So it simply compares top 20 of their search results. You even have a chance to discover how similar their SERPs are. The similarity is measured by a connection strength. If two phrases have the highest possible connection strength of 20, this means that there are 20 identical URLs in their SERP. It logically follows that if connection strength is, like we can see here, 7, okay, there are only 7 websites addresses that coincide. So, for your convenience, the related keywords wrapper can be sorted by all columns and filtered. You can see everywhere we have like filters. In addition, using related keyword selection, you can get hold the group of phrases that should lead the users to the same web page. Later, you may import this group of keywords in Serpstat clustering tool and find out the relevant pages for them. Next time, I'll show you how you can do that and how it works. If you choose low frequency or long tails keywords for your website optimization, you may cover separate micro niches and create quality content. You may find such keywords in search suggestions wrapper. Here is it. With this wrapper, you may get the topics which your audience is interested in, as well as the queries they enter in Google search box. So when we talk about sport shoes, your audience are looking for these topics. Buy sport shoes online USA, about Nike sport shoes. So these topics are really popular. If you prefer the API methods to edit and analyze data quickly, we have good news for you, as search suggestions have also been provided with APIs. So to create relevant content, you should spot search trends and give the answers to the questions that users ask search engines. So using search questions, here is it. So with search questions feature, you can find the trendy questions your audience asks for. With this wrapper, you'll find out new ideas for new pages, articles, FAQs, etc. Serpstat shows suggestions that include questions and looks for it in a real time. So if you, for example, choose the article where to buy sports shoes in Tokyo or Sydney, you just need to answer it in your articles and watch how your content moves to the top. So we can say that with the competitors or top pages tool, you may find out the semantics for a new niche with a list of pages and domains which include the most number of the queried phrase. So here, let's come back to top pages. That was the top pages for a keyword niche. You analyze not a single competitor, but all your niche competitors that receive the most of the traffic. So here are top pages for sports shoes and their potential traffic. So if you make research of 5 or 10 top pages, you'll get the most relevant semantics to your niche. And don't forget to use Save Filter to avoid brand queries. So this is how our top pages work. There was all the use cases of our clients, which I wanted to share you with, based on competitor analysis and unique Serpstat tools. So I really hope that this webinar was useful for you, and now you see how Serpstat works for you. So give it a try today and get in touch with our support team, which is always ready to help and answer all your questions. So thank you for your attention, and next time I will try to show you how the rest of Serpstat tools